Welcome everyone to this PostgreSQL tutorial. Today we will discuss foreign keys. So what is a foreign key in a database? A foreign key is a column or a group of columns in a table that links to a primary key in another table. Let's use an example. Consider we have two tables, authors and books. Here, author table contains the column author ID, which is our primary key, which uniquely identifies each author. Name is the column where we store the name of the author. Then the another table is the books, and this book table contains a first column which is called book ID. Book ID is a unique identifier for each book, and title is where the book's title goes. Now the author ID here is our foreign key. By stating references authors within a parenthesis specified the author ID of the table authors. We tell database that every value in author ID in the books table should match a value in author ID in the authors table. Lastly, publish date is when the book was published. By using foreign key, we ensure that every book we add to the books table has a valid author from the authors table. If we try to add a book with an author that does not exist in the author table, the database will not allow it. In conclusion, foreign keys help us maintain accuracy in our database by ensuring that data in one table correspond to the data in another table. Thank you for watching. If this explanation was clear, please like this video and subscribe for more.